Mr. Life, Life, good morning, my dear fellows, my dear friend, my dear listener, my dear human being. What a morning, what a day, what a feeling. The moment that you allow the silence and the peace to be part with your being, less the less you need, and you search for the place inside of you where is in a peace, where is in a silent, and the fear disappear, and the fear disappear, and you are becoming the watcher. You're becoming who you are, really who you are. And the moment you need to grab this, it will disappear. So I can talk about this, but it will not come out of my words. It will come out of your experience. It will come out of your meditation. It will come out of your passion for the truth. To recognize the truth in the life himself. Yes, it's a different quality of life when you know who you are. And the moment you have this experience or this knowing, big compassion will grow inside of you for humanity, for people, for animals, for life itself. Go deeper and deeper in your meditation. Practice silent, even for a few seconds. Let it grow in you. It's the key for your freedom. It's the key for know who you are. And it's for key for the miracle of life. Who is you? Be the watcher and see what's gone. Be the watcher. Mr. Life, life.